Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sort addresses by street number with a help column in Excel. If the addresses are with the same street and you want to sort them by the street number, you can do as follows. Select a blank cell which is adjacent to the address list and type the following formula. Type find. It returns the starting position of one text string within another text string. Press tab. For the find text, type double quotation, space double quotation, comma, and for the within text, select cell A1, close the bracket. Next, type the left function. It returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. Press tab. For the text, select cell A1, comma, for the number of characters, proceed with your find formula. At the end, type -1, close the bracket, and type another function, value. It converts a text string that represents a number to a number. Press tab. Proceed with your type formula for the text. At the end, close the bracket, press enter, and drag the fill handle to the range that you want to apply this formula, and you can see only the street numbers are extracted to the help column. Then select the help column range and click the data tab. In the sort and filter group, click sort. In the source warning dialog box, check expand the selection, click the sort button, and select your column, click the OK button. As you can see, the data is sorted by street numbers, and this method also can work when the streets and the addresses are also different. And you can also use the following formula to extract the street numbers. Type find, press tab. For the find text, double quotation, space double quotation, comma, select cell A1, close the bracket, and use left function only. For the text, select cell A1, comma, for the number of characters. At the end, type -1 and close the bracket, press enter. As you can see, the number of streets are extracted, and you can sort it now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.